Hello, Mr. Stewart. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Neva for allowing me to send this video to you. So this video is simply informational and educational, just showing you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant and online, I should say, and how to kind of increase your online presence, right? Just using the power of Google. I'm just going to break down just a few things. So the three things I'm going to break down today is content. The second thing we're going to break down today is backlinks. And then lastly is citations, right? If you don't know what those things are, no worries, okay? Now, you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And if I'm honest with you, pest control companies, especially right now, and their owners are super busy, and they don't know, right, how they can bring in more business, especially during the winter months, right? Using the power of Google and online, right? If their website can bring them so much more traffic if they just knew how to navigate that, right? And I'm just going to show you how to do that today. So first things first, your website is super simple. I was navigating it through, or I should say earlier today, before I was, kind of filming this video. I want to go ahead and highlight this whole thing here, because if I'm honest with you, Google doesn't really care about how pretty a website is. They don't care about how easy to navigate it is. All they care about is content, right? So I'm going to go ahead and let's see, I'm going to go ahead and scratch that. I'm going to go over here and paste all the words you have on here. You have 288. Now, a really dominant website, if I'm honest with you, Ken, has words anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000, okay? So it has 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage alone. So you're definitely going to want to up that, okay? That's the first tip I have for you. You're going to want to up the content that you have on your website with relevant keywords as well. Right, I know that you're from Rockport, or that's where your business is located, but the larger metropolitan area is in Corpus, right? So you're going to want to include keywords from Corpus like that, and Rockport as well, obviously, like pest control companies in Corpus Christi, or pest control companies Rockport, Texas, pest control services Corpus, pest control services Rockport, things like that, right? Those types of keywords will allow you to be more visible online, okay, and on Google. So if people are looking for that in your area, like if those are what we call buyer intent keywords, right? People are ready to buy your product. They're ready to purchase. They're scared of those bugs, so they're needing your services right away. So the second thing we're going to talk about today is backlinks, excuse me. So I went on ahead and plugged in your website here in my tool. It's called Ahrefs. Now, this is a paid tool considering I am in the industry, okay? But there are a lot of free tools out there that you can use that can basically let you see exactly what I'm seeing, okay? All you'd have to do is just type in backlink checker. You would type in keywords researcher for free, things like that, right? And you could basically see what I'm seeing here. Now, what this allows me to see, it just kind of pulls back the curtain, and it just shows me it breaks down a whole bunch of things, some analytics. It'll tell me, how many people are visiting your website right now, and on average, it's saying that it's about 20. Now, the referring domains are basically the amount of websites that are pushing traffic to your website, and then backlinks are the number of times that these websites are doing so, okay? So they're doing it 54 times, bringing you a total of $122 in traffic value. Now, I went on ahead and pulled up your competition in Corpus, okay? Now, as you can see, there's a giant difference, right? Obviously, these guys are a corporation, like they're super huge. They probably have multiple places that they service around Texas, right? But it's not impossible to overtake these guys, especially in Corpus, right? Because considering you're local, it wouldn't be impossible to overtake these guys. I've seen, a bigger differential. Okay. So they have 124 domains, 614 backlinks, right? So these guys are pushing traffic to these guys, but it's doing so 614 times. They're getting 555 people to view their website per month, bringing them $4,700 in traffic value. So there's a big difference here, right? There's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table for these guys to take by not optimizing your website, by not being number one in Google, okay? Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today, or I should say, before I move on in any further, I do need to tell you that not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, so the reason why you're probably not ranking is because your backlinks and your referring domains are probably not very good. They're not quality. Google knows that you are not a restaurant, right, or an Arby's or anything like that. So they want to ensure that it's not restaurants that are referring back to you. They want to see other pest control companies or pest control forums and blogs and things like that that are pushing traffic to your website. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations is how you end up here on the map pack of Google, right? This is where all the traffic goes. This is where all the money is. This is where people are going to fulfill their needs, right? The things that they need. If people want bugs killed, guess what? They're typing it in to here, and the people that are able to answer their question are right here in the map pack. Now, the way you get here is by having more citations than your competitors. As I said, it's not impossible. You could definitely do it. All you need is the correct guidance, and you need to just do the research, right? So, citations are anything or anywhere that you can find your business in a directory, right? And a directory is like Yelp, Yellow Pages. You've got White Pages, Home Advisor. Gosh, what else? Angie's List. Those are all different types of directories. Okay. Now you would just need to plug in your business name, your phone number, your business name, your phone number, your address for sure. And there's a bunch of different local directories to Rockport and to Corpus Christi as well that would definitely build that citation list to ensure that you're taking that #1 spot and dominating all the time. So you would just want to do the research and ensure that these guys, say if these guys have 75 or 100 different citations, right? You would just want to one-up them and do 150 or 200 just to ensure that you're constantly dominating this area, and your company is constantly getting the phone calls. Your company is constantly getting those clients, right? Especially during the cooler months, right? I understand South Texas doesn't get that cold, right? But still, either way, right? So you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So there's two things, right, we can do. You have two options. So the first option is to take all this information and utilizing it yourself, right? You could up the content that you have on your website, ensuring that you can stack those backlinks onto yours as well, and increasing the number of citations you have. And secondly, you can choose to outsource some help. And if it is the latter, well, then you can definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to point you in the right direction and just kind of guide you, okay, in whichever way you want to go. If this is the route you want to take, you can definitely reach out to me, okay? Thank you so much, Ken. I appreciate your time, and a special thanks to Neva for allowing me to send you this video. You guys have an amazing day. Hope you guys have an amazing week.